It's tutorial time. Today's tutorial, we're going to go over insights. So I'm going to start with today's journal entry. So I'm selecting a picture from today. Going to go through, select my day after my wash, and then for tutorial purposes, I'm just going to save the entry. Remember, the only mandatory portions are a rating and a picture. You can complete a journal entry without anything else. Next, I'm going to click Insights, and then I'm going to show my day one versus today. Here's a great little ad. If you would like to pay $4.99 a month, you can remove these ads. And there's my entry. So if I choose to share this entry, I can hit share. It will then open up options I can text to my friends, or I can pick a social media platform. For now, I'm going to go back and I will do a different journal entry so we can compare to 6 months ago. You'll see I don't have an entry for January 18th. So now I have to go back and create a journal entry. If you've taken the time to already go back, you will not have to do this step. I've been trying to take my time going to each previous month, just when I have time to transfer my information. If you need a tutorial on how to do a journal entry in the past, there is a video for that. But for now, I'm just going to select January 18th, select what day hair that was, and then I'm just going to save. So now when I go back to Insights and I hit 6 months ago versus today, it will now generate the image that I put in. So now I can also share this image however I like. So for this example, I'm going to choose Facebook. I'm going to choose one of my specific groups and share. I'm going to put a little blurb about my journey and then post. And that's how you create insights. Create your insight today using Crown Chronicles.